Hello, I'm going to show you how you can add a countdown timer on your website using HTML. What you do is very simple. It's just to follow this procedure and you have the best like this. You can even change when you need it to show and how you need it to show. Just keep in mind that under the description, I will leave this link so that you can just copy this and you style at your end too. Let us check how to make it. Go to a page where you need to set your countdown. Maybe it is a contact page or any. Search for HTML, drop it in. After dropping, go to this page. You'll find it at the description. Copy it. You control and copy it all. Paste it here. After pasting it here, this is how it will look like, but we are going to style it using CSS. So at first, this is 40 days. This is where the count is, because here it's showing January. It will end on January 5th, 2024 at this time. So you can even change it. For example, we can put it to December 25th this year. So you just put here December 2023, 2023, 25th. So you'll find that we have 29 days to go to that time. Then even the time here, you can still change it according to the way you feel like. After updating, preview your element. Once you have previewed, inspect, make sure that you click on this very element here. Check there. Then there is this icon here which says new style rule. Click on it. Then this is where we are going to style that element from. The first, we need to change the background color of it. Change background color to black. Now we have black background color. We need now to change the color of the text to white. There you type color white. We need to add padding 10 pixels. We need to increase the size of this. So you say font size, can put like 60 pixels. We need to center this because this side is small, this side is big. We need to center it. So you say text align center. We need to add a border radius. So you come and type border radius. I can put 10 pixels. So here is what we have. So you can have your time, you monitor your time, and you know when it's done. So after that, click inspect, click this link here, inspect the style sheet. Then you copy this. After copying that, come to this element, or then go to advanced, go to custom CSS, paste it here. After pasting, this is how it will look like. The moment you update, you are free to use your element now. Let me know if there is anything you need to learn. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.